So, changes to advertising. There are new ad formats for increased audience engagement. So, the first type is going to be showcase ads. So, you can see that on the right displayed here. It displays multiple pins in one unit and showcases various products or styles. And then, secondly, and very interesting, we have quiz ads. So, these are going to be interactive and dynamic, and it allows for personalized recommendations based on the user's quiz answers. Another important change is we have e-commerce integrations that are being rolled out for Salesforce, Adobe, and it simplifies the checkout process for merchants. Another important tool that's being rolled out is Creative Studio. This is a tool that will expedite pin creation with lifestyle imagery, and it aims to enhance ad performance. And then lastly, if you work with an agency, we have a business manager coming out very similar to Meta Business Suite. It allows agencies to get in there and plan, launch, and manage your portfolio for you.